Hey friends, it's Claire with ARC Essentials for the Oily Reel today. We're going to talk about gut health. Gut health is something that we get a lot of comments about also because it seems to be an all-encompassing issue. So there's a few things that can contribute to gut issues. Stress is obviously one of them. Sickness can cause a weakening in the lining of your gut and your stomach. Inflammation is a big one. I did a video on inflammation a little while ago. You could go back and watch that. There's lots of different reasons for your gut having issues. And I'm just going to run you through a few helpful things today. So number one, doTERRA makes a wonderful digestive blend. It's called ZenJust. This is going to be, I like to call this your Tums replacement. It replaces Tums, Pepto-Bismol, all things indigestion, heartburn, gastrointestinal upset, all of that. So ZenJust you can take internally. You could just do a drop under your tongue. It's kind of a pepperminty, fennelly flavor. If you don't love the flavor of it, just put it in an empty veggie cap or in a little spoonful of yogurt, and that'll help you get it down. It doesn't taste bad. It tastes pretty fresh, actually. So ZenJust is great. Take a drop under your tongue. You can do it every 15 minutes until your gut feels better. You could also use just straight peppermint oil. That's a really good one to use also. If you're using it on kids, you can just do a drop of the ZenJust in a little bit of coconut oil and just rub it around their belly button or on the bottoms of their feet to help support their digestive issues. Speaking of kids, there's a new oil in the kids collection that is specifically for kids' digestion. It's called Tamer. So this roller, again, you would do around their belly button, bottoms of the feet, helps support their gut and digestive system. It's more of a spearmint. This one's spearmint, peppermint, ginger, black pepper, and parsley. So really gentle, smells really fresh, great for car sickness also if your kids get car sick. Tamer's going to be a must-have. The other oil specifically, and then we're going to talk a little bit about supplements, is celery seed. So celery seed is a new one for doTERRA. If you've been on celery juice kick like the rest of the world lately, you'll know that celery is great for your digestive system. It's great for decreasing inflammation. It helps detoxify your systems. So celery seed is no different. You're, again, just going to take a drop into your tongue or in a veggie cap. You're going to do it daily if you have chronic gut issues, or you could do it on a case-by-case basis. Celery seed is actually really supportive for the mucus lining of your gut and your esophagus. So it will really be beneficial for helping heartburn and to help cleanse your digestive system. Excuse me. You're also going to want to incorporate Terrazyme. Terrazyme is just these are just digestive enzymes that you're going to want to take one each time you eat. Lots of people are missing these really important enzymes in their digestive system, which can lead to a lot of different digestive issues and problems. So if you want a smoother digestive system and better capabilities to digest and use the food that you do eat, Terrazyme is going to be a game changer for you. Just take one with every meal. It's wonderful to aid your digestive because it's just digestive enzymes. So it's just going to help break down that food so that your body can absorb it properly. The other cool thing that just came out are these peppermint caps. So why did they go and put peppermint in a cap, right? It's intrinsic coated, which means basically that you can take it and it won't burn up in your stomach and it'll get to your intestine, which is where most of the digestive issues occur down in your intestine, not necessarily directly in your stomach. So peppermint, again, you could take on a case-by-case basis or just take one after each meal. Again, taking frankincense daily, taking your lifelong vitality vitamins, these are the things that are going to help support lowering inflammation and keeping your systems and your gut healthy on a regular basis. The last thing I'm going to recommend after you heal your gut and get on top of the inflammation and the upset is probiotics. So doTERRA actually makes, which I don't have with me right now, they make a wonderful probiotic called PB Assist. And they make a probiotic for kids also, which is called PB Assist Junior. They're double encapsulated. They're full of all the good things your gut needs, just like most probiotics that you get in the store, except for these are obviously plant-based and so wonderful for your body. Really bioavailable. So make sure that you heal your gut, lower your stress, battle your inflammation, and then put the good things back in. Take your Terrazyme digestive enzymes and your probiotics. I hope this was helpful for you guys today. As always, if you need any help getting essential oils or you have questions, you reach out to the person who first introduced you to essential oils. And if that happens to be us, we couldn't be more honored to help you on your oily journey. All of our info is linked below.